Do you want to export Outlook to PDF file? Download and install Outlook Email Converter tool. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support different email clients and file formats. If that Outlook mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. Now tap on any of the mailbox for data preview. Choose any Outlook email that preview you want to see in the software interface. The tool preview all the email content and other information. If that Outlook mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. Now, go to the Export tab that lists multiple saving options. An extract option is available to take out email addresses, phone numbers, and attachments from Outlook files. Then again, open the Export option list and choose PDF format for Outlook to PDF conversion process. This time, first, check and uncheck the required folders to convert Outlook into PDF format. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you can see, there are many options available in the software panel. So let us understand them, and then you decide whether to enable this option. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Include email header. We recommend that you disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Include properties. Enable this option if you want to see email with their properties. Show page number. This option allows you to insert page number in PDF file. Save attachments in folder. This option allows to save attachments in separate folder. Finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process to convert Outlook to PDF files in the software panel. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. All the Outlook folders successfully converted into PDF format. You're good to go. Now, let's check the final results. Click on the Open Folder button. As you can see, all the Outlook mailboxes successfully converted to PDF format with all the properties and elements.